If you're excited to start selling products on Amazon, then this is the perfect introduction on how you can get started, because I was able to start my Amazon business by selling one single product. And within just 30 days of launching that product, I made all of my initial investment back and turned a profit. So I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process and how you can get started selling on Amazon and start making money in just 5 minutes. Step 1, if you want to sell on Amazon, you need to have an Amazon seller account. This is not the account that you buy stuff with. You can register by going to sell.amazon.com and click on the sign up button. Fill out some simple questions about yourself and your business, and once Amazon verifies your information, you'll be all set up with your new seller account. Now, during the registration process, you'll be able to choose from 2 seller plans. There's an individual plan, which is free. There's no monthly subscription. However, each time you sell an item, you do have to pay a 99-cent fee. There's also a professional plan, which gives you access to a ton of extra selling and marketing features, but it does have a monthly subscription that costs $39.99, and you can sell unlimited items without the 99-cent per item fee. And here's a pro tip. Amazon will charge you $39.99 for the first month as soon as you sign up. However, what's great is they won't charge you again until you start selling. So I recommend going with the professional plan. That way you can access all of the features and learn how to use them before you start selling. Step 2 is finding your first product to sell. The thing is, you can't just randomly choose any product. Identifying a product that you can be successful with requires doing some product research. It's important that you find products that have high demand, but also have low competition. Thankfully, there are powerful tools that can help you do this, and the tool that I use and recommend is called Helium 10. They have a powerful tool called Black Box where you can enter specific search criteria to find potential product ideas that have high demand with low competition. I can't stress how important it is to use data-driven results, not your gut instinct or intuition. And one crucial step that most people don't do, which will ultimately determine how successful the product will be, you must improve the product somehow. You can't sell the same thing as everyone else. A great strategy is to read through the reviews to see what buyers are complaining about and fix those problems. That way you can put your own brand and logo on the new improved product, making it your own. And your product will have a unique edge and competitive advantage. This is called private labeling. I'll leave a link to a free trial for Helium 10 down in the description below so you can test it out for yourself. And I'll also leave a coupon for a huge discount if you decide to upgrade to get access to all of their features. Step 3, you need to find a manufacturer to create the new improved product for you. An excellent place to find manufacturers is on Alibaba.com. Just do a search for the product idea, and Alibaba will connect you with manufacturers from overseas, such as in China, where you can get high quality products at very low prices due to the low labor costs. This will help you maximize your profits. And to get your products over to Amazon to sell, your manufacturer, or you can hire a freight forwarder to help you package and ship them, making this process extremely easy. Step number 4 is creating your Amazon product listing. All private label products need to have their own listing. So to create a new listing, log into Seller Central, click on Add Products, blank form. Then fill in all the required product details such as the title, description, bullet points, and photos. And a pro tip, most people don't create their listing until after they've already paid for and started manufacturing their product. I highly suggest that you create your product listing first. This way, if there are any potential selling issues such as restrictions or product compliance requirements, you'll know ahead of time before you've invested any money and end up with a product that you can't sell on Amazon. Step 5, launching your product. Most people think that you can just list your product on Amazon and it will automatically start selling. That isn't the case. You must have a product launch strategy in place to get your new product off the ground. Amazon is a search engine, and Amazon will always show the best-selling products first in the search results. In fact, over 70% of all online sales happens on the first page of the search results. So in order to move up in the rankings as fast as possible, it's important for you to start generating sales right away as soon as you launch your product. You can do that by having a plan in place on how to get your first reviews to give your product social proof and run properly set up pay-per-click advertising campaigns. Once you start getting some sales, your listing will begin moving up in the rankings, and the higher up in the rankings, the more sales you'll get, creating a powerful chain reaction. Now, this video right over here is a completely free 6.5-hour course that goes into far more detail on how to sell on Amazon, including a ton of important steps that you don't want to miss.